In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and titles in CapCut PC. If you want your video tutorials to be easier to follow, clear titles and callouts make a huge difference, and the process in CapCut is quick and beginner-friendly. I'll walk you through it step by step, keeping things simple and practical so you can start using text overlays right away. First, make sure your main video clip is already on your timeline so you can see where your text will sit. Now look to the top left menu bar and click the Text tab. You'll see a list of text options. Grab the one labeled Default Text and drag it down onto your timeline. Drop it on a layer directly above your main video clip. This stacked position tells CapCut the text should appear on top of your footage, just like a sticker placed over an image. You can think of the text layer as its own clip, which makes it easy to move, trim, and style independently from the video beneath it. With the text layer selected, go to the Properties panel on the top right. In the text box, type the message you want your audience to read. Keep it short, specific, and action-oriented so viewers grasp it in a glance. From here, adjust your font size to make it comfortably readable and pick a clean, legible typeface that matches your project's tone. For quick color choices, click one of the preset style options to help your text pop on screen. High contrast combinations work best. Dark text over a light background or light text over darker footage. Try not to overdo it with too many fonts or extreme sizes. Consistency creates a professional look and helps your audience focus on the message. Next, position your text exactly where you want it. Inside the main video player, simply click and drag the text box to move it. Place it where it's clearly visible without covering important visuals, like a speaker's face or key action. The lower third is a classic choice for titles, while top corners can be great for quick labels. Leave a little breathing room from the edges so it feels balanced and polished. Finally, control how long the text stays on screen. On your timeline, hover over the edges of the text clip and drag to stretch or shorten its duration. Match the timing to your narration or the moment you're highlighting and leave it up long enough for comfortable reading. Clean, engaging on-screen callouts in just a few clicks. You're all set, done.